Okay, so this is the foot that I've got currently. As you can see, it's fucking trashed. It's pretty much doing nothing for me right now except for being enough of a mass to hold my shoe on. This is the one that I was wearing before. It's wrapped up in I don't know what this is called, but it had also cracked on the bottom here. So what I did was I took some rubber cement, had it curing for a couple of days, because you're supposed to let it cure for like 24 hours, 48 hours for it to be on there fully. I peeled this off of that one and glued it onto this one, which is also broken. I have another one coming in the mail soon, so that's good. So bad. Fuck. It's like unwrapping a fucked up Christmas present. God damn it. This is so ridiculous. Oh, here we go. Ahoy. So this is actually what my foot looks like inside. And it's really dirty right now because I was just in the river running after my dog. But yeah, so I've got not one blade, but two blades. And then the heel. This is like the kind of foot that they would give to farmers and laborers, because I trash all the other ones that they give me. So yeah. Anyway, all I gotta do is put this up over this, but I gotta put some type of sock over this to keep the sand and rocks out of it.